The action camera market is experiencing a massive shift, and if the latest industry leaks are accurate, the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 7 is about to completely redefine what creators, athletes, and filmmakers think is possible from a pocket-sized device. For years, the battle for action camera supremacy has been a fierce, incremental game of minor sensor bumps, slightly tweaked stabilization algorithms, and modest battery improvements. But as we move deeper into 2026, the whisper networks and supply chain insiders are signaling that DJI is preparing to drop a definitive, flagship bomb on its competitors. This is not just a standard annual refresh or a casual update to keep up with the competition. The leaked specifications for the Osmo Action 7 point to a monumental engineering leap that aims to push hardware limitations straight into the future. If you've been thinking about buying a new action camera, upgrading your current setup, or switching platforms entirely, you need to freeze right where you are because the data pouring out of manufacturing plants and regulatory filings suggests that everything is about to change. To truly understand why the tech community is losing its collective mind over the Osmo Action 7, we have to look at the massive technological foundation DJI has been building over its last few product cycles. Each generation brought something critical to the table, from the low-light mastery of earlier Pro variants to the incredible color science and dual-screen innovations of recent models. But the Action 7 is rumored to introduce a feature that many experts thought was still years away for a chassis this small, an entirely redesigned imaging pipeline capable of processing massive data loads without breaking a sweat. Rumors from deep within the Taiwanese supply chains indicate that DJI has successfully engineered a brand new processing architecture designed explicitly to handle high-fidelity, high-frame-rate environments while maintaining perfect thermal stability. For anyone who has ever had their camera shut down due to overheating right in the middle of a once-in-a-lifetime shot, this architectural shift alone makes the Action 7 the most anticipated release of the year. The crown jewel of these leaks centers directly on the camera sensor itself. While previous models pushed boundaries with impressive sensor sizes that vastly outperformed traditional action cameras in dark environments, the Osmo Action 7 is rumored to take things a massive step further. Insiders point to a specialized, ultra-fast readout 1.1-inch CMOS sensor configuration that balances pixel density with light-gathering efficiency in a way we have never seen before. What makes this particular sensor architecture so revolutionary is its rumored ability to achieve up to 15 stops of dynamic range. To put that into perspective, that level of dynamic performance matches or exceeds many high-end mirrorless cinema cameras used on professional film sets. Imagine shooting directly into a harsh midday sun while simultaneously capturing perfect, noise-free shadow detail in the valleys below without blowing out the highlights. This represents a complete paradigm shift for outdoor content creators who have historically had to compromise on image quality due to unpredictable, rapidly changing natural lighting environments. But a massive high dynamic range sensor is completely useless without the computing horsepower to drive it. And that brings us to the most shocking leak of all: the jump to native 8K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. For the longest time, 4K was considered the gold standard for action content, while 5.3K or 5.7K options were treated as luxury formats meant purely for cropping. The Osmo Action 7 is positioning itself to shatter that ceiling entirely by offering true 8K resolution. This means every single frame you capture contains 4 times the detail of standard 4K footage. For content creators targeting premium, high-definition markets like the United States, UK, and Canada, this opens up an entirely new realm of post-production flexibility. You can shoot an ultra-wide master shot in 8K, and then in your editing software, pull a tight vertical crop for short-form platforms, a medium punch-in for a horizontal documentary, and a stabilized tracking shot, all from a single clip without losing a single ounce of crisp, high-end definition. Skeptics will immediately question how a camera of this size see and handle the sheer processing demands and immense heat generated by pumping 8K 60 frames per second data onto a micro SD card. This is where DJI's secret engineering comes into play. According to recent patent applications and engineering leaks, the Osmo Action 7 will debut a highly advanced passive thermal management system built from aerospace-grade materials. Instead of relying on bulkier form factors or internal fans that compromise waterproofing, the new chassis acts as a highly efficient heat sink, pulling thermal energy away from the core processor and dispersing it evenly across the outer shell. This means creators can look forward to virtually unlimited recording times in standard conditions, completely eliminating the dreaded thermal countdown timers that have plagued high-end action cameras for nearly a decade. For action sports enthusiasts and extreme creators, resolution is only half the battle because a high-res image means nothing if the footage is shaky or unwatchable. DJI has dominated this space with their RockSteady and HorizonSteady technologies, but the leaks surrounding RockSteady 5.0 AI indicate that stabilization is evolving from simple pixel shifting into predictive artificial intelligence. The Osmo Action 7 is rumored to utilize a dedicated neural processing unit built directly into the main system chip. This AI engine does not just react to camera movement after it happens. It analyzes structural data from the live video feed, along with real-time physical telemetry from advanced internal gyroscopes to anticipate motion vectors. The result is an ultra-smooth, almost eerie floating aesthetic that mimics a professional 3-axis mechanical gimbal, even when the camera is strapped to a mountain bike barreling down a rugged, rocky cliffside or mounted to a surfboard crashing through heavy waves. The intelligence of the Osmo Action 7 does not stop at keeping the horizon level. It extends deeply into how the camera tracks subjects. Building upon the early subject tracking capabilities seen in previous iterations, the Action 7 leaks suggest a fully realized AI subject centering 2.0 system. This feature uses deep learning models trained to recognize human bodies, faces, animals, and fast-moving vehicles. Once a subject is locked in through the dual high-brightness OLED touchscreens, the camera uses its massive high-resolution canvas to digitally pan, tilt, and zoom dynamically, keeping the target perfectly framed in the sweet spot of the shot regardless of how erratically they move. For solo content creators who vlog in the wilderness, shoot solo travel documentaries, or film their own fitness and stunt routines, this turns the action camera into a virtual personal camera operator that follows your every move with completely smooth, cinematic precision. Low-light performance has historically been the Achilles heel of the entire action camera industry, as small sensors and narrow apertures traditionally turn night footage into a muddy, noisy, pixelated mess. DJI is apparently looking to solve this problem permanently with the introduction of an advanced AI-driven supernight processing mode running natively on the Action 7. By utilizing the faster readout speeds of the new 1.1-inch sensor along with real-time frame stacking algorithms, the camera can instantly analyze and clean up low-light environments frame by frame. This means city vlogging at midnight, exploring dimly lit caves, or capturing twilight adventures will yield remarkably clean, vibrant, and color-accurate footage. Combined with a rumored variable aperture system ranging from a wide-open f/2.0 for gorgeous, natural background separation up to f/4.0 for deep depth of field landscapes, creators will finally have true creative control over light and optics in a ruggedized form factor.